So welcome, this is a quick tip about how to polish in hard to reach places, such as the little crevices either side of this stone set ring. So these here are called polishing threads, and they are cotton threads. You can order them from a jewellery supplier or use an alternative. And I've just taken a few off, 3 or 4 of them. And what I'm going to do is just tie them onto a hook at the side of my bench peg. So you can tie them wherever you like, but somewhere that I can sort of lean on. I'm just going to tie a knot or 2. And actually you can keep these there as a tool that you can use whenever you like. Then I can separate them out and I can use as many as I like at a time. I'm going to put on a little bit of polishing compound. So you can use any polishing compound you like. This is the Luxor polishing compound, but you can use any one that you like to use for your jewellery. And for this piece, I'm just going to take probably 2 threads because I want to get into the detail there. Or I could actually just work with 1. So you can choose what thickness you want. And then you just rub it up and down. And that is how you kind of get the polish in there. And you can see the thread is kind of changing colour and I'm getting a bit more into the detail. Do be careful because it is quite abrasive, so it will cut through the metal if you overdo it. But it is a really nice way to get into those nooks and crannies in your pieces. So yeah, enjoy your polishing threads. Come and let me know in the comments if you're going to give this tip a try or if you've used this before or you want to share any tips with other jewelers. We love to have people in our community share their tips with us. So best of luck and happy making.